Welcome back to ClearTask. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily change the playback speed of a video in VLC Media Player. Whether you need to speed up a long presentation or slow down a fast-paced clip to catch every detail, VLC gives you a few straightforward ways to do it. The most direct method is using the built-in menu options. While your video is playing, navigate to the top menu bar, click on Playback, and then go to Speed. Here you will see preset options: faster, faster fine, normal, slower fine, and slower. Clicking faster or slower applies a larger jump in playback speed, while the fine options adjust the rate in smaller, more precise increments. Click on any one of these options, and you will see the speed confirmation briefly appear in the top right corner of the screen. The video will then immediately continue playing at that selected rate. For an even faster workflow, you can use standard keyboard hotkeys to adjust the speed on the fly without pausing. To increase the playback speed slightly, press the closing square bracket key. To decrease the playback speed, press the opening square bracket key. If you ever need to instantly reset your video back to its original rate, simply press the equals key. Finally, if you prefer using a visual slider, you can use the speed indicator located in the bottom right corner of the player interface. Right on the status bar, simply click the current speed indicator and drag the slider left to slow down or right to speed up. That is all it takes to fully control your playback speed in VLC Media Player. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.